count to 2.
You want to hear me do it again?
Yes.
Okay, ready? 5.
Here we go again, my children. It's that time of year. It's Halloween. It's haunted house time. Get out there and get your freak on.
My head hurts. It was.
So here's a little bonus footage.
Hello, darling.
Please, for me.
1 by 1 you fall. 2 by 2 I take you all. 3 by 3 you'll be on your knees. 4 by 4 you'll be begging for more.